Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have what matters, a browser and permissions. First, open the browser and go straight to Settings or Preferences. Once there, find the Search Engine or Address Bar section. It's usually one click from Settings. If you use a profile, make sure you're in the right one so changes sync. Now pause and scan available search engines listed. Don't change yet, just confirm Google appears. If Google is missing, you'll add it in the next step. Next, you select or add Google as the default. If Google is in the drop-down, pick it and make sure it's labeled default. That's it. If it's not present, choose Add or Manage Search Engines and supply name, Google keyword Google, com and the search URL, https://www. Google.com/search. Q equals %s, make sure the %s placeholder stays. Once added, set Google as default. This creates a direct mapping, so the address bar queries go to Google rather than Bing. Finish by restarting the browser and testing an address bar search so you confirm Google responds. If Bing still appears, make sure no extension or corporate policy forces Bing, disable search-related extensions, and check for enforced settings in profiles. If policies block changes, contact your administrator. As a last resort, remove Bing from the search engine list and re-add Google, then restart again. One troubleshooting tip: disable suspicious extensions first. They often redirect searches without obvious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.